Hello again, it's me. If you just watched the last video with the goodie box, I'm still wearing the same things for all of these. Okay, today I will be opening Target Beauty Box Wake Up and Makeup. They had a few come out lately. And let's see what they got inside. Alright, it opens different than their other beauty boxes, as you can tell. Okay, the first item is Dove Refresh and Care Coconut Dry Shampoo. I wonder if it smells good. Oh, it smells really good. I used this on my boyfriend the other day when I first opened it because his hair looked a little greasy. Let's just be honest. And I said, this might work out for you. And I sprayed it on him. This doesn't say how much it costs normally. If I get a chance, I will look it all up and put it in the description box for the large size. Okay, the next item is CoverGirl Peacock Flare Black Noir Control Grip Precise Full Fan Thick Lush Lashes. I don't know where the light's coming from. So, this is, let's look at the wand. I know people like to see what the wands look like before they open it, before they go buy it. Because sometimes you don't want those big wands. Like, I am a Too Faced fan, but I'll have to show you this in a second. We'll go a little off. Okay, good. That's a good wand. Can you see that? It's not too big, not too small. And like I said, I am a Too Faced product fan. And I got their goodie bag a couple of weeks ago. And I was surprised to see a full-size mascara in there. This is called Queen Size. Look at that wand. I have tried to use this a few times, and I'm still going to try to use this. Anyone knows how you could actually get this on your lashes, that would be great. Because I cannot seem to get it to work. But it seems like a really great. It's called Queen Size Mascara. That was a little off topic, but anyone knows how to use that, please let me know. But this wand, and it has this little grip thing here. It's like black, and it's like a gripper. It's rubber. Okay. The next thing in here, another Dove product. It is Sheer Fresh 48-hour antiperspirant. And it smells like powder. It's got a light, fresh scent. Okay, next. e.l.f. Beautifully Bare Blending Brush. I love e.l.f. brushes. This is a blending brush. I don't know if I love them because they're the ones I can afford the most of the time. Like in a pinch, not wait for them to be delivered. Ooh. This is, it actually feels really soft. Look at that. It's a really soft brush. It's a blending brush. And the way it's shaped, you could probably use it for your contour. Not bad. Okay. I bet that is supposed to go with Total Face Palette by e.l.f. Natural Glow Face Palette. See if we could get it out of here so I can show it to you. Ooh, look at the packaging. Now you can see my phone and the mirror I'm looking at. Okay. Ooh, one of them popped out. So sad. I'm afraid to turn it up for y'all to see, so I'm going to do it like this. These two are trying to come out right here. Let's see if we could swatch them. Oh, they feel nice. It's not real. You can't really see it. See if we could get one of the pinky colors. You can't really see them. So it must be like a highlighter palette. Let's see. Total Face, Natural Glow, Fresh and Flawless, Beautifully Bare. So, excuse my language. Bare Bronzer, Highlight, 2 blushes, weightless, silky formula, perfect for sculpting and adding soft dimension. So that's why we can barely see it, because it's going to be a very soft one. Double eye. Okay. It's very beautifully packaged. let's try to move some of this stuff out of the way. As you can see, I still got the goodie box back here. Okay, now let's see. Oh, you get coupons in here that do not expire till June, it looks like, or July. For the $1 off for the Dove stuff. Okay, last product in here. Oh no, there's 2 products. Okay, Honest Beauty Refreshing Clean Makeup Remover Wipes. My son's watching YouTube, believe it or not. Oh, nice fresh scent. I know some of them you get and they are like really stinky. And little trick, when I was dyeing my hair purple, which didn't work out, we won't go there. If you get hair dye on your skin, these makeup wipes, get it off your skin and your bathroom counter and your bathroom floor. So they are multiple use. Figured I'd share that little piece of information because some people don't know. Like, I had a friend that had it on her hands and the bottom of her foot for like a week and she couldn't get it off. And I told her makeup wipes and she got it off. So, quick dry makeup brush wipe. So this is by Sonia Kashuk. And it's like a tiny little sample of their makeup brush wipes. I've tried the e.l.f. ones and the e.l.f. ones work great in a pinch. Well, work great. You know, when you're doing your makeup and you want to use the same brush, get it off there, it dries quick. You're able to use the brush for the next product. Also, not Target related, but I am part of Thomason, whatever it is. And I paid a discounted price for these products to review them. This lash and brow serum, I've been trying to get my lashes to grow out. So this, my brows to grow out. This is called Lala. I've used it a couple times and it's actually working. Lala Lash. And I'm going to try to find their website for you. But this is awesome. This is going to be used for your brows and you got to make sure all your makeup's off, your face is clean. And you take this little applicator thing in the bottom. See it? And you put it in the sparse areas of your eyebrows. And it helps them grow. And then down here on the ledge of your lashes, like on your eyelid, right before your lashes, you put it across there. I got this one. I've been using it on my brows. I've been using this XXX Lash eyelash and brow serum on my eyelashes. I figured I didn't expect to get approved for both. We'll just start there. So I figured, okay, I'll use the Lala for the brows and I'll use the XXX on the eyelashes. And they are also for brows. I haven't compared the formulas. The applicator is the same on both. But so far, the one I'm using on my eyebrows, I do see a difference. The lashes, I have seen a little bit of difference, but they do warn you it takes up to 45 days to see anything. So I just wanted to get that out there in case y'all were looking for it. Okay, and this is the Target Beauty Box, as I said. It says, Hello, Gorgeous. And it was the Wake Up and Makeup one. It's a lid. I don't even know what that lid goes to because it doesn't fit anything in here. So I think it's just some extra random lid. All right. Love you. Talk to you later.